Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time I have, surprise surprise, a couple boxes, and I am doing two unboxings for this video and you will see why in a second. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. Alright, so I know that earlier this year I made a video talking about my 2018 wish list, and you know, just forget what I said, because yeah, I did not stick to it. I mean, there have been things that I purchased that, a lot of things that I had purchased that weren't on that list, and this is the culmination of my vacation haul. So I think I've filmed 3 videos right now, and I was just waiting for these to come in the mail, and so I think this is number 4. So this is number 4 of my vacation haul. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Let me start with the larger box, which is this one, and let me go ahead and get my knife. Oh my god, it is so hot right now. I know this is Minnesota. Oh my gosh, but I have all the ACs running at the moment and it's still so hot in here. Oh, okay. So let me go ahead and open this guy up. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show you what this is, but here is the envelope, which I'm presuming has all my information in it, and you can see by the name on there, if it'll focus, it is an item from Gucci. And so, okay, so here is the bag. I am a little disappointed that did not come with a box. I ordered this online. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed, and so well, anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. So it came with a bag, but the bag is even kind of crumpled up. This is kind of whatever. So this is my first time ordering anything from Gucci online, but when I was on vacation, so I was trying to look for this item while I was on vacation in California and in Las Vegas, but I did not find it, and I finally went on the internet and saw that they had this in the Gucci online store, and I decided to purchase it. Well, let me go ahead and open it with you guys. Alright. So they wrapped it with some tissue paper. There you go. Alright, it looks like they wrapped it twice. Okay. And here, at least it comes with a dust bag. So here is the item. Let me go ahead and the dust bag is really nice, actually. It's it feels like silk, but still kind of bummed that it did not come with a box. I know it's just a box, but I wish it did come with a box. Okay, so here is the item. And so let me tell you a story. So I had seen this particular bag on Instagram, and I thought it was really cool, but then when I went to go look for it, it was all sold out everywhere. And then it recently came back into stores. So I saw one in Neiman Marcus and in another store, not Barney's, Bergdorf Goodman. But it was just for a pre-order and for shipping around November of this year, which is, I thought, was really ridiculous. And so I did not purchase it at that time because, you know, by that time the fad would have gone over. And so when this reappeared on the Gucci website, I snagged it immediately. Well, let me go ahead and show you what it is if you guys don't have an idea. It is the fanny pack. So let me take off all the packaging. Okay, so, and the strap even comes with some styrofoam. Okay, so, and on, they put the, I think this is the care booklet. So here is the care booklet that was inside of this strap for some reason. And here is the tag right there. So it does not have the price on it, but it was $750 US. And lucky for me, since there is no Gucci here in Minnesota, I got it for tax-free. So let me go ahead and I already know I'm going to have to extend this all the way because I don't plan on using it as a fanny pack, but, and this is sort of how people are wearing these quote-unquote fanny packs nowadays. It is, you know, on their shoulder. And let me see if this fits me. I did not, so I wanted to see if the strap was long enough, and that's why I was hoping to find it while I was on vacation, but I did not find it. But let me see from this length if it's long enough. Okay. Oops. Alright, so how I intend to wear it is sort of like that. I know it's really hard to tell, but this is actually a really nice length of a strap, so I will definitely keep it. And let me just show you guys what is inside of it. So there is a magnetic closure right here. Let me take out all that stuff. So here's more paperwork. I don't know what all this is. And here is a controlado. I'm not sure what that is. Let me take this out. It looks like it comes with a piece of canvas. I'm not sure why, but this is the inside of it. It's just one pocket, and there are no interior pockets or anything like that. One thing that deterred me from getting this piece was that it was only a magnetic closure, and so with enough force you could probably just, you know, have your stuff fall out, but I decided to get it anyways. So there is item number one. And let me go ahead and get into the second item here. So here is the item. You can see it is a USPS box. So I found this item. So as I was looking for the first bum bag or the fanny pack, I came across this one while shopping in Vegas, and I really liked it, but I wanted to look for that other one first. And then eBay had a 20% off coupon. So I knew this item did not come with the box, so that's, oof, knocking myself all over the place. That was okay. And so I got this one. So this is this was considered brand new. So it also came with the controlado. Okay, so here is the item. It is another fanny pack or bum bag. Oh wow, so I tried this one on in the store, and I really liked it. So it is actually 2 pieces. You can see that you can slide them away from each other. But so I think these are even the same. Yeah, these are the same strap, and so that's why I had hope that this one would have a long enough strap for me. So I am a bigger guy, and I know that not all fanny packs would fit the way that I'd want them to fit, and so when I tried on this one, I sort of knew that this one would fit me, and I still kind of like this one, so I decided to find this one. I found it for a great price on, like I said, on eBay. Let me take the strap. Okay, so the only thing that is different between these two are that this leather is black and this leather is brown, and so on the strap, this little notch here, that is brown, and the notch here, that is black. So I know bum bags are all the rage right now, and sometimes it is nice to not have to wear a big old bag, especially if you're going to, let's say, the state fair or some other place where you don't really need to carry all your stuff, and all you need is a few items. And so I wanted to get on the bandwagon of these bum bags. Here is more information that was inside the dust bag, by the way. Okay, so let me try this one on again. So the cool thing about this one is that I could wear a pocket up here, and I could wear the other one, you know, down here a little bit. And so if you guys can see, that style is sort of like how the model had it on the website, and I thought that was really cool. But this one, of course, is, you know, the pockets or these pouches are smaller, and so I'm not going to be able to carry as much in there. So here is another canvas piece. So it's hard to see in there, but it is just a single pocket, and this one is even smaller because it is more flat, but here is the inside of that one. But okay, so here are the items that I recently got, and this is my Gucci haul, and there you guys go. Hope you like them. If you have any questions about either of these pieces, let me know and I'll try to answer them for you. I am definitely going to wear them, and so I'm excited to be able to do that. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Bye.